Hello everyone, and here's another package for today that I got a couple weeks ago. So I'm just go ahead and open this one up. Okay. Alright, so this one's gonna be funny. This one's gonna be kind of funnier. Okay. So this is Donald Trump, obviously. It's a pull my finger President of the United States doll. Donald Trump, obviously. Make America fart again, so let's try. Maybe needs batteries. Is it turned on? Oh, it's turned off. Maybe it might need it.
Take this, Putin.
Yeah, you press the button and he farts and makes these noises, and he says these phrases.
Here's my next tweet. I call it a twoot. Trademark. I'll make Mexico pay for that one, too.
It's funny. Alright, well anyways, yeah, it looks just like him. And then there's the back. And, it's just a gag gift, basically a joke. It's funny. So yeah, it's farting Donald Trump doll. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and bye.